Welcome to my channel, folks. Today, we're diving deep into something your doctor probably never told you, the silent side effects of Losartan. Yeah, that little pill you take to keep your blood pressure in check might be doing a few things behind your back. So, grab your coffee, sit tight, cause what I'm about to tell you could seriously change how you see this harmless drug. Now, Losartan is supposed to be your heart's best friend, right? It relaxes blood vessels, lowers pressure, helps your ticker stay calm. But here's the thing, every friend has a dark side. Some people taking Losartan end up feeling dizzy or lightheaded, like the room's spinning when they stand up to fast. That's not just a random thing. It's your blood pressure dropping to low. And if you're waking up tired even after a full night's sleep, Losartan might be to blame. This drug can mess with your energy levels big time. It can leave you drained, foggy-headed, and totally unmotivated, like your body's running on low battery. Most folks chalk it up to age or stress. But nope, it could be the Losartan. Here's another sneaky one, muscle cramps. You'd think it's dehydration. But no, Losartan can lower your potassium too much, leading to painful cramps, weakness, or even heart rhythm changes. It's subtle at first, but when you start feeling that twitch or tightness, it's your body throwing up warning signs. Then comes the silent kidney struggle. Yeah, the same drug meant to protect your kidneys can sometimes overwork them. If your pee output changes or you notice swelling in your ankles, don't ignore it. That's your body saying, hey, something's not right here. Doctors don't always bring this up unless you ask. And get this, Losartan can trigger weird taste changes. Some people say food starts tasting metallic or bitter. It sounds minor, but imagine your favorite burger tasting like a handful of coins. Not cool, right? That's your system reacting to the drug's chemical effect. Oh, and let's not forget dry coughs and throat irritation. It's not as bad as with ACE inhibitors, but Losartan can still cause it. That nagging cough that just won't quit? Might not be allergies after all. There's also mood swings and anxiety creeping up on some users. You start feeling edgy, restless, or down for no reason. That's not just life. That's your nervous system reacting to the med, adjusting your blood pressure too aggressively. And here's the shocker, hair loss. Yup, some people lose strands like crazy after months on Losartan. It's rare but real. Your body sees the drug as stress and pushes hair follicles into rest mode. Bottom line, Losartan works, no doubt. It saves lives every day. But don't ignore what your body whispers. These silent side effects are your early warning system. Always talk to your doctor, ask questions, and never assume a pill is safe just because it's common. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.